Y'all, we're using the welcome to our home. So let's cut ourselves 8 12-inch pieces. Y'all, this is a heavy foil, but it's really soft. Let's grab our wreath frame. Gonna get all my twist ties ready. All right. We're gonna take our 12-inch cut and we're gonna curl it up, pinch it off about 5 inches, put that right in our twist. Five inches on the other side. All right, so we're just gonna do this little move all the way around the top. Make sure you puff these out as you go. Y'all, we're almost done with the 21-inch. So we cut the 21-inch in 12-inch strips. All right, let's cut all of these at 30 inches. That'll give us 4. Let's do that one more time. We need 2 more at 30. We're gonna take it, we're gonna curl our 2 edges in just a little bit. Then we're gonna ruffle it right down the middle. And we're gonna add one of these all the way around the outside. All right, so we're just rotating colors all the way around. All right, so far we did our 21-inch mesh cut in 12-inch strips. We added that all the way around the top. Then I did 30-inch ruffles all the way around the bottom. And now we're gonna do 15 to 20-inch ruffles around the top. All right, so this one was a little over 20 inches. So we're just gonna trim this down. We need 7 more. All right, curl these 2 edges in. Give it a little ruffle. All right, and now we're gonna add that ruffle all the way around the top. All right, last ruffle. Y'all, so we got our base done. I couldn't decide what I wanted to do with this wreath. I kinda wanted to use this guy. I kinda wanted to use this. You know why? Because his pants reminded me of my great-grandmother. He's got tweed pants on, y'all. So I was thinking about having him like this and have him hold the sign. But if we're gonna use him, I need this to be a little bit squished. So it is a circle. All I'm gonna do is put it on the table and just squish down just a little bit. And now we have an oval. Now he's not quite as thick. He was looking a little rounded. He just had a little diet snack all of a sudden. All right, let's just make this happen. Let's get our sign fixed up. Y'all, to use that, I'm gonna take a little bit of super glue. Right, we're gonna put a little dab of this on all four corners. Gonna grab some sticky mounts. All right, let's get these and put our pipe cleaner on them. Y'all, we're gonna take our wreath. We're gonna put our sign right in the middle. Y'all, I'm gonna put my sign at a little bit of an angle because it's just more fun to be a little crooked. Check it out. So we're gonna hang his legs straight, and then in that gap is where we can attach a bow. Y'all, and all I'm doing is literally wrapping that wire right around the frame. Let's get this guy added up here. I am gonna give a little bit of breathing room between the sign and his head so that he doesn't look compact. Let's get his arms added. So I need it to come out of the side. And then I'm gonna, they're wired from here all the way to the other end. So I can bend it to where it looks like he's holding the sign. All right, let's make our bow. So we're gonna start with about a 12-inch tail. All right, y'all, in this one, I don't want the bow to be extremely big. So I'm only gonna do a half of a bow. So we're gonna make our loop about 7 inches. And instead of making that second loop, we're just gonna stop there and we're gonna trim it. Okay, so if I would have done this one here and then black next, we would have had a lot of solid colors on one side and a lot of patterns on top of each other on the other side. So I'm gonna grab this pattern one and do it next. That way the loop is on the opposite side. And now our next layer is gonna break up the crazy ones. We're gonna take our solid color, that way it lays on top of our pattern. All right, we're gonna take it, we're gonna give it a good pinch. Y'all, we're gonna press this down nice and tight and give it a good twist. All right, we're gonna get our bow added right in that gap. All right, so I want it low enough in the gap that we don't cover our sun, but high enough in the gap that we can fill in the gap. See how our bow doesn't cover our sign, but it's a really good accent piece? Now we can start adding our ribbon tail everywhere else. All right, y'all, we're gonna take this and we're gonna start with 10, because I don't know how many we need, but we know we're gonna need the outside all the way done. We're just gonna add a set of tails all the way around the outside and see how that looks. All right, y'all, let's get all these on here. So we're starting to pull together. This side over here looks pretty good. This side over here, we need a little bit of love in some of these spots. So let's get something right there. Let's get some fall going. Y'all, we're gonna get some 60919 in there. Let's fluff this out. Okay. Y'all, I want to get this focused around the bow. Y'all, and then my favorite thing to do is to find a garland that has a lot of pieces on it. Okay, so see how this garland is made up of a lot of stems? That's the kind that I like to get. Oh, this one's just wrapped. I don't even need to cut it. So let's get all right, so now I'm going to take that same piece and I'm going to figure out that I can cut this one into 3 pieces. Right? So that one garland, one stem off that garland turned into 3 individual stems. All right, so now I'm going to take this stem. This one's kind of long, so I'm going to get it supporting the bow a little bit to bring some of this fall color down here. All right, now we want to decorate in a triangle pattern. So we have those leaves here. We're going to bring some of those leaves right out here. All right, so we've got a little bit here, a little bit here. Let's bring some of it up this way. All right, I'm going to get one more of these. Now I'm going to take one of these bigger pieces and I'm going to put it towards the back. That way we get some extra dimension. All right. So I want to carry that line over here somewhere. All right. Y'all, he's all fun. He's all fun.